the most expensive something now na the internet. Ifo onye ona na-enejela anya, it is more expensive than gold. It is more valuable than silver. Is Ogechi's apology. Everybody, not everybody, like everybody, but like majority of Okokos, Eflefus want Ogechi to apologize to even Ndekpori Achawo na Ndekpori Akwuna na Ndekpori no yawo na Ndekpori all manner of oyi. Now, among some of these people, Sharuko Ogechi apologize. Yeah, I don't have problem if Ogechi chooses to apologize to anybody. It is her decision anyway. I mean, but I'm saying some of these people who wants Ogechi to apologize to Mbeye na Hakolono, when they up till now, some of them, I mean, up till now, they have not seen any reason or reasons why Ijele should apologize to either Ebukobi or that the Hezekiah. Some of these people who said we don't advise Ogechi well because we have not come out to press Ogechi to apologize to the whole world so that their ego can settle down comfortably, are the people who up till now are failing to advise Ijele to apologize to either Ebukobi evangelist or that the Hezekiah or every other person. Some of them who feels concerned that Ogechi happen already in Nigeria for 5 months. They feel the kind of concern Hamwelu overwhelming. I mean, some of them are not bothered that it is heading to 1 whole year Ijele on a detention at prison yard. Some of them who said we have not gone to Abuja, we put Ogechi in trouble. We are the people who landed Ijele in trouble, and up to today they don't even know the part of the prison yard where Ijele is. And I only want to use Ijele as an example. Hypocrisy. Ndiru abua. Oh, Nyamarandono. The most expensive and the most demanding thing when on Facebook today is Ogechi's apology. I don't know what they are going to do with Ogechi's apology. I don't know if they are going to eat it, if they are going to cook it, if they are going to plant it, if they are going to bank it, or they are going to put it as a monument. If Ogechi chooses to give you people this valuable something you have been looking for, it is up to her and not up to me. But I'm telling you, I don't know why some of them desperately want Ogechi to apologize. What they are doing with that apology, I don't know. In their mind, do they really want Ogechi to apologize so that there will be peace? Or do they want Ogechi to apologize so that they can use it as a witness, as a weakness against her? I am asking. I mean, why would they even be wanting us to push Ogechi to apologize to people? Yana ekolono. Fudane be mmadụ na-abụ na aka ọnụ. Ofu onye mechie ọnụ onye nke ọzọ ka na-akọ. Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. Ifudane be mmadụ na-abụ na aka ọnụ. Ofu onye mechie ọnụ onye nke ọzọ ka na-akọ. Everybody wants Ogechi to apologize. You want Ogechi to apologize. You are worried that no Ogechi in Nigeria for 5 months. Mana nwanne nwoke jokpala nne nke tọrọ na nwoke na America, no Sweden, no Switzerland, no African country for 10 to 15 years. You are not bothered or worried whether na one day or nondo or ya nata siku or ya nata, but you are suddenly feeling for Ogechi. Look at some of them. Nde set go Ogechi onya since na choko Ogechi ma. Ogechi came to Nigeria to do her personal things. She got arrested. They turned back to say, Ezugo, you people deceived her. You brought her back to Nigeria. Was that not what you have been praying for? That is what you have been praying for. And she gave you Ogechi a way of giving you people. It's like, oh no, you are collecting hot until Ogechi apata. Ogechi a way of serving you people breakfast the way you want it. You want to go? Ona fuboro ife. Na uonu, unenwere okwu. Ogechi has been in Nigeria for 5 months. No. When last did you come to Nigeria? I am asking you. Some of you know obodo oyibo na-ekwu na Ogechi elugo 5 months ọbịa Nigeria. Ebiego Nigeria here in 10 years. Ebiego Nigeria here in 7 years. Ebiego Nigeria here 5 years ago. Ebiego 3 years ago. The answer is no. The answer is no. The people back home here need you the same way Ogechi's family needs her in America. Are you not aware? Every day ka na amu candle n'isigu. Na weje prayer point n'isigu. Were uje na agba afa, were uje na agwa ọgwụ, akụwa na akọ iwo, eburu n'ibu ndị mmụọ bupụ, eje na mmiri, eje na mee ife niile, so ka afọ na ya agwa na taga anya n'ụlọ, sere na agbofu. But you are worried about Ogechi, who came back to Nigeria out of her own will and wish, because at least knowing something on another level. Somebody mama in America, somebody umuneni in America, somebody there in America. At least she has a reason to come back home. Ngo nwanne unondo, ngo nwanna unondo, ngo umunne unondo na Nigeria, ngo ifeni ni ma umunne unondo na Nigeria. You have still not found any reason to come back to Nigeria in 10 years, and they needed you the same way. Ogechi's family, your mother of Ugoganya as a woman for the past 5 years. Don't you know that your mother needs you the same way Ogechi's family is really in America? I am asking you. Some of you who got married after traditional marriage and wedding, in 5-6 years, what I want you na university we no ye go na your fugo emaka dokita emaka shape edo emaka odo emaka osieme now. You don't know. Obodo iwo mani nyolo onu. Ogechi has been in Nigeria. Ezugo, it is you who deceive Ogechi. You deceive Ogechi. Lover of Ogechi. You love Ogechi atoro. Nya nene katono una ha mu ife na gbolo na amu. Oh, if Ogechi na anya that means sholo ko Ogechi na pa Nigeria, but you wish her to go to prison. If one woman ife of all things, if truly that we deceived Ogechi to come back, or not supposedly they think, you don't even know the direction where you should be fighting from. You don't even know the direction where you should be talking from. You are just talking for the sake of talking. No for the name. If fellow na name. Look up. No for the name. If fellow na name. For the name. Do shall so abahulu that you don't even count the words you write on Facebook. Everybody want Ogechi to apologize. Onye me video, apologize. What of the rest of you? All of you who were clapping for Ijele, Guru Ezigbo, Ejike Moment of Truth, Ofonya Akedo Chanu Mudioka, and the rest of you who were clapping for Ijele. Right on. Some of you even bragged that no one from Madonna Nigeria carry. Are you people bothered about where he is today? That young man has been in detention for almost going to 1 year or more. Now Canadian loud. Ononoro Fuka made the video last time. Na no nya furi ni koi prison. Gwaram the condition here, but you are bothered about Ogechi. You are bothered about Ogechi, who has been in Nigeria for 5 months, but you are not worried about Ijele, who has been in detention for getting to 1 year now. You are telling us that we are not advising Ogechi well, that maybe no cause from somewhere. Advice here. Have you advised Ijele to apologize to people of slander so that they can forgive him, so he can go back home to his sick mother? You have not done so. You hated Ogechi. Stop hiding under love and pretense for whatever. You hate Ogechi. You are happy that you want to subdue her. You want her to be on her knee. You only wanted that apology so that you can use it to show Ogechi or if you go. Like I said, if Ogechi chooses to give it to you people, it is her decision. It is none of my business. Like I said, but Ubosenta, I actually know orange. As for me, as you go, I remain unshakable. I remain unmovable. My stand is firm. I don't change. Abame Eku from 2 sides of my mouth. They want to go. Apology. They will not apology in a trailer. No do apology. Look at you people in a apology. For the mono, na family, you a black sheep of the family. How many of them have you apologized to in a apology? All the people who have advised you to go and make peace with your family. For the mono, even aside they be the business. If you have you bothered? Have you taken any advice from numerous ones in the Madden? The answer is no. For the mono, go na cat and dog. You tear. Have you taken people's advice? The answer is no. You are worried about people who are advising Ogechi right or not. Oh no, wouldn't do fear. 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 Even the comment section about the people, what you do no control, but sent to me yellow. A homocaba namulo. Jejuese kiwe mara. A homo cabana namulo. You want to go into a commissia here, like I always say, for the lovers of Ogechi Okeke, joy is coming. This country is our own. You want to go? I keep repeating it because that is my slogan. You take it in good faith. My stand and support for Ogechi is nothing and cannot change even one bit. Also, show advice. Ijele needs your advice now. Go and advise him. If you want to think about how long somebody has stayed somewhere unfavorable, you should think about Ijele. He has lost everything because you were clapping for him. You have not for one day condemned him for all the things opposite on. Even when the people on Agwokwa respond to him, but you are here condemning Ogechi for talking or responding to those who called her names, who defamed her, who bullied her. Sorry. You want to go? You don't know what you are going up against. As you go, you want to go? My support for Ogechi remains bagam. Wait until she's out. You will cry because she's coming out. For the lovers of Ogechi, joy is coming. That is the message I have for you. Una panic is na. Una was not full. Una just now watch update ifa. Hey, you update. All the update ya ka anye gidoro na Ogechi we si kpopụta. Mgbe ejidere Ogechi n'ugbo ha ma na ya apụta. They don't know no ya apụta. Nke Abuja yesetu ame ha vam n'anya. One ndị ajasiri ụgwọ ha bụ news ahụ. You are wasting your money. This country is our country and nobody is less of a human being in this country. Ogechi karịrị ụnụ. Ụnụ chọọ kwupụsịra n'isi na korota. Ịghọtago korota Ogechi karịrị ụnụ. Ọkaisi nwaanyị ka ọ dịnụ.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe.